you've decided to change the front glides on your dryer. That's not too hard a job. We're going to need a few tools: Stubby Phillips screwdriver, a 5/16 nut driver, a rivet tool, and a drill with an 1/8" bit. That's all we're going to need. Very first step in doing this repair is to disconnect the power from your appliance. If your dryer has a cord on it, simply unplug it. If it has a disconnect switch, locate that switch, turn it off. Just verify that there is no power going to your dryer. The disassembly procedures for this repair are going to require taking the front panel off, removing the 2 Phillips screws that are located underneath the lip, putting an inch in from each side. Once we remove the front panel, then we will take 4 5/16 hex head screws from the bulkhead, remove that, and we're going to remove the belt, pull the drum out. That'll give us full access to the repair. Pull the front panel forward. We've got the front bulkhead off. We can get a closer look at it. And you can see these drum glides are in really bad shape, so they obviously need to be replaced. What we need to do is drill out the rivets that are holding those onto the front bulkhead. We use an 1/8" drill bit. Drill from the outside. Now we're ready to install the new one. We'll tuck the cork base in first. With the Teflon piece, put the shorter edge to the outside. Now we'll take our pop rivet tool and reinstall the pop rivets. To reinstall the front bulkhead, we'll take note of these little tabs. There's 2 on each side, and they will fit into these holes in the face frame. And that'll allow us to suspend that while we're lining it up. Keep in mind that we need to engage the blower inlet into this felt and make sure that the felt doesn't get folded over. Just lift up on the drum a little bit. Make sure our blower inlet is not folded over. Then we can reinstall the 5/16 hex head screws. Put one on one side, line up the hole. Again, we'll check that felt, make sure it didn't move on us. Nope, we're okay there. And the last thing, feel inside the drum where it meets the front bulkhead. Make sure that that felt isn't folded over. Oh, that's all lined up. We can tuck our wire harness in behind. Bring our front panel into position. And we'll engage the clips on the top of the front panel into a couple of openings in the top panel, just tilting it forward, lifting it up into place, holding it firmly up against the top, and then lower it into position. We'll reinstall 2 Phillips screws. And the repair is complete. That's just how easy it was to change front glides on your dryer. Thanks for watching, and good luck with your repair.